January 21st, 2021 percents. What is the fraction, decimal, and percent of the pink shaded in area? So the pink shaded in area. Ooh, I guess I should highlight that in pink. Oh, yeah. Ooh. The pink shaded in area. All right, so how many blocks are pink? Just one. So I'm going to have 1 out of, how many total are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 total. So 1 out of 4. So our decimal, if we have 1 out of 4, or 1/4, we can get that to 100. So 4 times 25, if I have 4 quarters, equals 100. 1 times 25 is just 25, so 1 of those quarters. So our decimal will be 0 and 25 hundredths. Or if you do 1 divided by 4 in your calculator, you'll get 0.25. And then that percent would be 25%. All right, let's take a look at the next one. What is the fraction, decimal, and percent of the non-shaded in area? All right, so non-shaded in area. So non-shaded, 1, 2, 3, 4 total out of 4 non-shaded out of, well, there's 5 total, so 4 out of 5. Now we can get that 4/5 to 100 in our denominator by multiplying by 20. 4 times 20 is going to be 80. So our decimal is going to be 0.80. Or you can have 0.8, that's fine as well. And then we'll have 80%. Also, if you do in a calculator, 4 divided by 5, you will get 0.8. And remember, you can put that placeholder of 0 to make that an 80% out of 100. And that's going to be it for our percents. Great job!